Hi guys, I did search in my old videos and I believe I did never do a teardown of this, and it is an error. So it is a pretty common electronics box for MiG-21 aircraft and others, if I remember correctly. So not sure exactly what it does. Seems to be some kind of voltage regulator or some kind of amplifier or something like this. Pretty simple device, as we see, with only 7 pins on the connector. It is mounted on this quite strong aluminum plate with shock absorbers, grounding strap here. So you have the model number here with nice manufacturer logo, serial number, apparently 1984 maybe, power supply requirements, nothing written, yes maybe. The shock absorbers are rated up to 1 kilogram and we have 3 of them, so it must be more than enough. And to take it apart, I first need to remove the mounting plate, which can be done by undoing the 3 screws. They are already loose because I did take it apart previously. So one interesting thing, all the screws are not the same model. Little bit of rust on this one. Okay, so here we have a back plate with screws attaching all the contents. As you can see, some quality control stamp here and 4 more screws to undo. Okay, so just 4 screws around the edge to remove the cover. So one interesting thing is the connector here. It is actually riveted to this plate. It is not usually you have screws. You always forget one screw, in particular when you are in camera. Okay, so what do we have in this? Inside the cover, I was going to say nothing, but we have something. We actually have a schematic. Not sure how it will show on camera. We have a pinout and we have everything. Transformer here obviously. A bunch of resistors. And one vacuum tube here. So it is pretty nice to have the schematic, and it is in a very nice condition as the inside of its cover. And here is the thing. So as you can see, not a lot of parts and really big beefy parts. Our transformer is here. Must be some kind of a power supply, I guess. We have a bunch of typically Soviet paper oil capacitors in hermetic cases. This one at the back is pretty big. I will remove the vacuum tube so we can see better. That code of 1988 here, no, 68. So yes, it is quite old, this thing. Little resistors here, more capacitors, 2 metal body diodes here. I will try to zoom a little bit for you. Interestingly enough, here we have an unused terminal on this capacitor. Two more capacitors here. And this transformers power resistor here of 75 ohms, and we have our tube socket in which was mounted this tube. Manufacturer logo here, probably made in USSR. Military control stamp here. The tube is not gassy, as you can see. The getter is still nice, and there is not, maybe very light signs of use here, but it has not been heavily used, this thing. Interesting. And it is probably still in good condition. Did insert in the socket at the first attempt, and we have this shockproof cap with a spring to keep the tube in place, and it is all for this thing. So you can still find it on eBay. They pop up from time to time with a very random price from 1 to 100 euros depending on the seller. But I noticed Soviet aircraft parts tends to increase in price. Here you have the model number of a connector for those playing at home. Okay, so we'll put this back together. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.